Hey natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sean and hope each and everyone is doing fabulous. Before I jump into the video, remember to subscribe, like the video, blow up the comment section and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. I am going to be using Ghana Braid hair wax, some eco style gel. Alright, so I'm gonna be using that rubber band to catch my hair up. So I'm just taking out some small amount of hair for my edges. Using the 3 that comes in the 1 pack. All right, I'm going to be doing the butterfly braid. So guys, this is what I did with the Ghana braid. I attach it to a broomstick. Yeah, you have to be creative some of the times. Yes, and I attach it to the broomstick, right? In order for me to show you guys what I am doing. So at the end of the braid, I am going to be adding this gold wrap to wrap around the hair end. So next thing, I am going to be grabbing my scissor and I am going to be trimming the braid. So after trimming the braid, I'm going to be attaching the plait braid over my hair, right? And then this Ghana hair, I'm gonna be attaching it around the plait braid. So now I am going to be doing my baby hair. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this hair wax to do my edges. That's the final look of the hairstyle. Beautiful. This hairstyle is really simple, beautiful. Love it so much. I'm going to be showing you another way you can wear this hairstyle. So basically I am just wrapping that hair, into a bun. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Until next time, bye everyone.